Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Geology, a whole new way to understand our Mother Earth. Okay, so in this today's 7-minute numerical, we are going to discuss about one general geology question. The question is from Iit-Jam. This is 2022 Iit-Jam question number 48. Okay, the mass of the Earth is 80 times that of the Moon, while the radius of the Earth is 4 times that of the Moon. Okay, then the surface gravity of the Earth is how much times that of the Moon. Okay, and the answer should be in integer. So if there are two masses, okay, this is m1 and m2, they are being present with a, they are separated by a distance of r, then what is the force between them? Okay, the attractive force or the gravitational force between them is represented by, this is Newton's law of gravity. Okay, so this is F1 is equal to F2 is equal to Z m1 m2 by r square. This is called your inverse square law. This is one inverse square law. Okay, law of gravity. This law is derived from law of gravity. G is your universal gravitational constant. The value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton into meter square per kg square. M1 and M2, these are the two masses, and R is the distance between them. And we can see that this R distance is from the center to center distance. Okay, this is the center to center distance. So the force, okay, the force between these two masses separated by a distance of r, okay, that formula is F is equal to Z mm by r square. Okay, this is your formula, and we know F is equal to ma. Okay, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we can calculate that F by m, force by mass, is equal to acceleration. This acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, which is equal to your g. So can we write down g is equal to F by m? So just put this in this equation. So we can calculate for earth. Okay, for F by m is equal to gm by r square. Okay, now this is equal to your g, acceleration due to gravity or the surface gravity. G is equal to gm by r square. And if we, this is the actually the formula we have to use in this section, okay, in this question. So we have to calculate the surface gravity g of E, surface gravity of earth, okay, and surface gravity of moon, g of m. Okay, so if we just calculate the ratio of GE by GM, or the surface gravity of earth to the surface gravity of the moon, so what are the variables? No, what will be the formula if GE by GM is equal to, so G, this is G your constant, okay, this is your constant. If it is constant, then it will be cancelled out because it is ratio, no? That will be cancelled out. So what are the two variables which will differ? That is the mass of earth divided by mass of moon into, you can see that this r is present below. So what, and if we just want to calculate the ratio, what will be, this is r m, this is the moon, radius of the moon, or r earth e, and this is square. Okay, or simply you can calculate, you can find out GE, which is equal to G me by r e square, and gm, this is the for moon, this is g mm by rm square. And if you just get the ratio, then that ratio is ze by zm, which is equal to your gme by r square, r e square divided by g mm by rm square. So g will cancel out, Okay, then this the rest portion will, that will be me by re square into, this is your rm square divided by mm. This is the same. Okay, this is mass of earth divided by mass of moon into radius of moon square divided by radius of earth square. Okay, and this is the ratio of the surface gravity of the earth to the moon. Now just put the values that we have. Mass of earth is getting, the mass of earth is 80 times that of the moon. Mass of the earth is 80 times of the moon. So this is 80 times of mass of moon, mm, divided by mass of moon is the unit. Okay, and r is, it is giving that the radius of the earth is 4 times that of the moon. Radius of the earth, re, is 4 times that of the moon. Okay, so this is rm divided by 4 rm the square. Okay, so what will be the answer? Mm will cancel out, rm will cancel out, so this is 80 into 1 by 16. Okay, this is 80, this is because this is 80 times mm that got cancelled out. rm 1 by 4, 1 by 4 का square हो गया 1 by 16, 4 cross 4, that is 16. So this is answer 16. If you just simplify, then answer is your 5. Okay, this is 5. And what is this answer? This is your GE by GM. So our answer is GE, the surface gravity of earth to the surface gravity of the moon, is equal to 5. Okay, or we can simply calculate, we can simply say that the surface gravity of earth is 5 times the surface gravity of the moon. Okay, the surface gravity of earth is 5 times the surface gravity of the moon. That implies the surface gravity or the gravitational force is more on earth as compared to your moon. Okay, so let's see the answer. This is your 5 times, this is your 5 times. Okay, so thank you, and save our mother earth. And if you are interested to join our group, okay, then you can simply contact to these numbers, or simply put a mail to this Gmail ID, or there is one link that is given in the description box where you can find our website and all the social media, and even the books, referred books by Ask Geology, because we have shared one Google Drive folder, okay, where all the books are available. So thank you, and have a good day.